Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your RingCentral password if you have forgotten it. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the RingCentral application and then you will be taken into the home page where you will see the sign in as well as the create free account button. Tap on the sign in button and you will be taken into the login page. Now from this page, in order to reset your password, you will need to type in your email address or the phone number associated with your account. But if you created your account using Google, then you will not need to reset your password, as your account will always be accessed with your Google account by simply tapping on the Allow button. Go ahead and type in your email address or phone number associated with your account, and then tap on the Next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Now in order to reset your password, tap on the Forgotten Password button underneath the Sign In box, and you will be asked to enter your email address once again. Type in your email address and tap on the Reset button, and you will receive an email on your original email address that you used to sign up from RingCentral. Just click on the email and click on the link within, and you will be allowed to reset your password. Simply type in your desired new password and then type it in once again to confirm it, and your password will successfully be reset. You can now use your new password along with your email address to sign in to your account on RingCentral. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on RingCentral. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.